first thing you'll want to do is invest in some Aloe After Sun Gel. This one happens to be by Banana Boat, and I'm applying a pretty generous amount. Oops. So now that that's applied, what I like to do, it kind of will save your ears a little bit, is you want to turn on the solder line and turn the volume all the way down at first. Next, you'll grab this part, and what you'll do is you'll plant it into the gel and kind of, I don't know what this word is, but dabble it until it's a little bit, evenly coated. At this point, this is when I turn up the volume so that way I can hear. So you'll hear a couple different noises. One of them is my heartbeat, one of them is the sound of the placenta, and the final is actually the baby's heartbeat. So, sorry about all this noise, but hopefully you guys can hear this. That's the baby's heartbeat right here. I'm 18 weeks and that's where I'm hearing it. That's not the baby's heartbeat. That's mom's heartbeat, or my heartbeat right here. So do you hear the difference? My heartbeat, maybe placenta, not really sure. That's definitely baby's heartbeat. So I hope that helped you determine the difference on listening for the baby's heartbeat, and thanks for watching.